What are the types of processes? In industry, processes can be characterized as one, or more, of the following forms. Discrete process. Batch process. Continuous process. The first type. Discrete process. Discrete process is the process of production of distinct items, which means one-by-one processing. For example, automobiles production process, furniture production process, toys production process, smartphones production process, packaging process, airplanes production process. The second type. Batch process. Batch process is a manufacturing process in which components, or products, are produced in groups, or batches, which normally require the mixing of raw materials, and heated, for a period of time, to form a quantity of end product. For example, adhesives and glues production process, food production process, beverages production process, medicine production process. The third type. Continuous process. Continuous process is a continuous flow production process method used to manufacture, produce, or process materials without any interruption. It is called a continuous process, or a continuous flow process, because the materials, either dry bulk or fluids, that are being processed, are continuously in motion, and undergoing chemical reactions, or subject to mechanical, or heat treatment. For example, oil refineries, natural gas, chemicals and petrochemicals processing, fertilizer production and processing, pulp and paper production process, iron blast furnace, power production stations, wastewater treatment, cement extraction and processing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.